Okay guys, welcome back to another mind-blowing video on Nextel. So on this particular video, I am going to be showing you how to buy airtime and data on Nextel, and I'm also going to be showing you how to pay bills on Nextel. So these are also things that you can literally do using your Nextel account. So if you want to buy airtime or you want to buy data on your Nextel, here is what you have to do. First, let me go back to my dashboard. Now if you are on your dashboard like this, just click here. You are going to see where they say buy airtime. Just click on airtime. So when you click on airtime, you will now see where to purchase airtime, data, cable TV and electricity bill. So you can literally buy airtime, data and also pay for your DSTV subscriptions or GoTV, all those stuffs like that. You can make any subscriptions that you want to carry out, and you can also pay for your electricity bills. Understand? So this is what we are going to be looking at in today's video. First thing that you need to do, you have to top up your balance. As you can see right there, I have 0 VTU balance, so I have to top up this balance before I will be able to do anything right there, or before I will be able to carry out any service right here. So all I have to do is to click on top up VTU balance. So after tapping on the top up, just enter the amount that you wish to top up. For example, now if I want to top up 100, note this thing is on dollar, so I will have to go and remove it from this dollar. Let's go to dashboard and change it back to naira. Let me go and change everything back to naira because I'm using naira for this. Let me just switch to naira. Now let's go back again and see. Okay, you see it has changed. Now click on top up. You can see that everything is now showing in naira. Let me, for example, I want to top up 200 naira. I will just click on it like this and it's going to open. Now let me click on continue payment. Understand? So after clicking on continue payment, you can use any options for you to fund your, or for you to top up your balance. You can use pay with card, which is using your ATM card. You can go with bank transfer. They are going to give you account number, then you transfer the money to the account, or you are going to pay with bank. This one is you going to bank to fill a teller or a slip in order for you to make that deposit. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using the middle one, which is pay with bank transfer. So let's click on pay with bank. So after clicking on it, you are going to see pay 200 naira, copy amount, and you see everything. So all you have to do is to click right there. Just click here and head over to click on continue. After clicking on continue, you are going to see the account number which you have to make your payment to in order for your wallet to be funded. So just click here, check right here to see this particular icon. Just click on the copy icon. So after clicking on it, you are going to see that it has been copied. Now go to your bank app. For example, I'm going to use this my OPay. You see, the account number that I copied was here. I can just click on transfer. Understand? Confirm. Now I selected 200 naira. You need to transfer the exact amount that is right here. So I selected 200. I have to make sure that I pay 200 naira because it was 200 naira that I selected. So always ensure that any amount you select is what you pay. So let me click on 200. Now I'm going to make the transfer right now. You see my transfer has been made successfully. Now let's go back to the app to see if the platform has received the payment. You just have to wait. Understand? Just wait for some minutes. So for the money to be, or in order for the money to get reflected on the dashboard, you just have to wait. You see it has automatically validated the payment, and you see payment success. You can now see that I now have 200 naira on my balance. So now that I have 200 naira on my VTU balance, I can now decide to buy airtime or data. But for the purpose of this video, which one should I go, airtime or data? Okay, let's say I want to buy airtime. I will just click on airtime, MTN, Airtel. I didn't select this, Glow and 9 Mobile. So if I want to purchase the Airtel card, I am supposed to click here, you see. So that was a mistake I made that made the transactions not to be successful. But okay, let's go now with data. Let's go with data. Let's say I want to recharge oh, okay, let's still do the airtime on again. If I want to recharge Airtel, let me go now with, let me just recharge another one. Let's say I want to recharge 15 naira. Now after clicking on it, okay, let me go with 100 naira as well. After clicking on the 100 naira, I will just enter my phone number. Okay, just enter the right phone number and I select my network right there. Let's continue. Enter the pin and now click on pay. Okay, so this one is going to drop, understand. I just have to give it some times. So this is how to purchase airtime on Nextel. So if I want to buy data, I am going to use the data option, understand. Just come right here, click on data. After clicking on data, select the network that you want to recharge. Let's say I want to recharge 9 mobile. Just click on 9 mobile. See the data amount here. Just select the plan that you wish to recharge. Let's say I want to recharge this one. I'll just click on it and go down, enter my phone number. After entering my phone number, understand, I will now click on pay. I enter 4,000 naira here and my balance is not up to 4,000. That's why you are not seeing this button being active. So the button is currently unavailable because I don't have up to that amount on my top up balance. So you just do the same thing and you are good to go. How about I want to subscribe to my Go TV or whatever? I will just click on cable TV, enter the amount, just select if you want to recharge Go TV, Start Time or Showmax. Let's say I want to recharge Go TV. I will just click on Go TV. Now after clicking on Go TV, check the plan that you wish to subscribe. Let's say I want to subscribe for Go TV Max, which is the one of 85. I will just click on it. Now scroll down. After clicking on it, I will just come here to enter my smart card number. You guys already know now, your Go TV has a smart card number. So you just type in the smart card number right there. So after you type in the number, you click on verify in order to check if it's correct. So if it's correct, this particular button right there is going to come up live. Then you click on it and you continue. Your subscription will be done immediately. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video like this. Bye.